Good evening. Today I am going to solve the question of depreciation. Question number 3 of Goel. The question is here: A Limited purchased a machinery for rupees 5 lakh on 1st April 2020. Further addition were made on 1st October 2020 and 1st July 2021 for rupees 4 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. On 1st January 2023, first machinery was purchased. First machinery was sold for rupees 2,85,000 and new machinery was purchased for rupees 6 lakh. ए लिमिटेड 1 अप्रैल 2020 को 5 लाख रुपए का मशीनरी परचेज करती है। फिर एडिशन वेयर मेड ऑन 1 अक्टूबर 2024 4 लाख एंड 1 जुलाई 2021 3 लाख। 1 जनवरी 2023 को फर्स्ट मशीनरी को बेच देती है कंपनी 2,85,000 में and on the same date a new machinery was purchased for rupees 6 lakh. We have to prepare machinery account for the 3 year ending 31st March 2023 and depreciation is charged at the rate of 10% per annum on a straight line basis. Here the first machinery purchased on 1st April 2020 for rupees 5 lakh. The entry will be bank account, a machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery account debit to bank account. This machinery is debited, so in the debit side of machinery account we write to bank account 5 lakh. In the same year on October 1st, new machinery was purchased for 4 lakh. Again the entry will be machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery is debited, so in the debit side of machinery account we have right here 4 lakh. Now charge the depreciation at the end of the year. The year start on 1st April, so will end on 31st March 2021. I have mentioned here 2021 March 31st. For depreciation, entry will be depreciation account debit to machinery account. Depreciation account debit to machine account. Machine is credited. So in the credit side of machine account, we have mentioned here by depreciation account. The first machinery of rupees 4 lakh, 5 lakh, and this machinery was purchased on 1st April. So the depreciation will be charged from 1st April to 31st March for whole year. 5 lakh at the rate of 10%. The amount will be 50,000. Second machinery was purchased on 1st October. So on this machinery we have to charge depreciation for 6 months. We have charged depreciation here on 4 lakh at the rate of 10% for 6 months by 100 into 12. The amount come here 20,000. Total depreciation is 70,000. On first machinery 50,000, second machinery 20,000. Total depreciation is 70,000. Now balance the ledger. Here the debit side total is 9 lakh. 5 lakh plus 4 lakh. We'll write the same amount here 9 lakh and now deduct in the credit side the amount is 70,000. So we'll deduct 70,000 from 9 lakh. The difference will come 8 lakh 30,000. Here we mention March 31st by balance CD. Now transfer this amount in the next year 2021 April 1st to balance BD. We have written here 8 lakh 30,000. In the same year a new machinery was purchased on 1st July for rupees 3 lakh. Here the amount is 3 machinery account debit to bank account. Machinery is debited, so in debit side we have written here to bank account 3 lakh. Again we have charged depreciation. For depreciation the entry will be depreciation account debit to machinery account. We have mentioned here year 2022 March 31st by depreciation. We have shown here depreciation on first machinery. The cost of machinery was 5 lakhs, so at the rate of 10% depreciation will come 50,000. In second machinery the cost is 4 lakh. This year we charge depreciation for the whole year the amount will come 50,000. On third machinery was purchased on 1st July. So on this machinery we have charged depreciation for 9 months from July to 31st March, and cost of machinery was 3 lakh. If we calculate depreciation, the amount will come 22,500. आएगा. Now do the total. Here total depreciation is 1,12,500. Again we balance the ledger. Here in debit side 8,30,000 and 3 lakh. Total is 11,30,000. We write the same amount here, 11,30,000. Now deduct. Here in credit side the total depreciation is 1,12,500. If we deduct this amount from 11,30,000, the difference will come 10,17,500. Again we transfer this amount in the debit side. Here the year is 2022, April 1st, to balance BD 10,17,500. This amount come from here to here, 10,17,500. In this year, and 2023, on 1st January, the first machinery was sold for rupees 2,85,000. The entry will be bank account debit to machinery account. Machinery is credited, so in credit side we have written here by bank account 2,85,000. 2,85,000 रुपये लिखे हैं. सेल करनी है, सेल करने पर एंट्री होती है बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीनरी अकाउंट. मशीनरी क्रेडिट है, इसलिए मशीनरी के क्रेडिट साइड में 2,85,000. द एंट्री विल बी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीनरी अकाउंट. Machinery is credited, so in credit side we have written here by bank account 2,85,000. 2,85,000 रुपये लिखे हैं. सेल करनी है, सेल करने पर एंट्री होती है बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीनरी अकाउंट. मशीनरी क्रेडिट है, इसलिए मशीनरी के क्रेडिट साइड में 2,85,000 मेंशन किया गया है. Now the machinery was sold out, so we have to charge depreciation. जो मशीनरी बेची गई यानी फर्स्ट मशीनरी पर depreciation चार्ज करेंगे from 1st April to 1st January, 9 months. Here the amount will come 5 lakh at the rate of 10% for 9 months by 100 into 12. The amount will come 37,500. We have mentioned here 37,500. Now we have to find out the profit or loss on sale of this machinery. Here the first machinery is sold out, and this machinery was purchased in the year 2020-21. In the year 2021, depreciation 50,000. Again 2021-22, the amount of depreciation will be same, 50,000. And this machinery was sold out on 1st January 2023. So for 9 months, the amount will come 37,500. Total depreciation is 1,37,500. We'll add the amount of sale. The machinery was sold out for rupees 2,85,000. So total recovery is 4,22,500. Now we have to find out the profit or loss. The cost of machinery is 5 lakh and total recovery, total amount recovered here is 4,22,000. इसलिए 5 लाख से 4,22,000 को डिडक्ट कर देंगे. डिफरेंस आएगा 77,500. दिस इज लॉस बिकॉज द कॉस्ट ऑफ मशीनरी is more than the amount recovered. Depreciation plus selling price is 4,22,500 only. So the difference 77,500 is loss on sale of machinery. For this, the entry will be loss on sale of machinery account debit to machinery account. Machinery is credit, so in the credit side we have mentioned here by loss on sale of machinery is 77,500. Now at the end of the year, I mean on 31st March, we will charge depreciation on rest of the machinery. The second machinery, the cost of second machinery is 4 lakhs. So if we calculate depreciation on 4 lakh at the rate of 10%, the amount will come 40,000. Again On third machinery, the cost of third machinery is 3 lakh. On this machinery, this year we'll charge depreciation for whole year. So on 3 lakh at the rate of 10%, the depreciation will come 30,000. Again on fourth machinery, the fourth machinery was purchased on 1st January 2023. So on this machinery, we will charge depreciation for 3 months, January, February and March. The cost of machinery was 6 lakh. Cost of machinery is 6 lakh है. 6 lakhs. Rate of depreciation 10%. We have to charge depreciation for 3 months into 3 by 100 into 12 for the depreciation will come 50,000. 15,000. Here we have mentioned 15,000. Total depreciation is 40 plus 30, 70 plus 15, 85,000. Now balance the digit. Here if we do the total of debit side, the amount will come 16 lakh 17,500. 16 lakh 17,500. We will write the same amount in credit side, 16 lakh 17,500. Now do the total of credit side and deduct from this total. The difference will come 11,000 32,500. बैलेंस मशीनरी अकाउंट का बैलेंस क्या आएगा 11,32,500. This is the balance of machinery account on 31st March 2023. Now balance transferred in the next year. I have transferred here on 2023 April 1st to balance BD. The balance is here 11,32,500. In this way, the question is solved.